Welcome to Placid News TV. NNAMDI KANU'S trial. Watch the Ipob's leader's lawyer, Ejimakor, reviews the next plan of action. Relax, watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.
NNAMDI KANU moves to stop further violation of his rights, demands trial within reasonable time. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, has moved to halt the continued violations of his constitutional rights. KANU instituted 2 separate legal suits seeking to compel the relevant authorities to abide by the Constitution. In the first suit filed before the Federal Capital Territory High Court, KANU sought the constitutional right to a fair hearing and to be tried within a reasonable time, as well as to be released unconditionally. In the second suit, the Ipob leader sought an order of mandamus to compel the authorities to follow the law in the conduct of his trial or transfer his case to the Southeast. A statement by his special counsel, Ejimakor, reads, 2 days ago, NNAMDI KANU'S legal team commenced 2 separate legal actions seeking to compel the authorities to, henceforth, abide by the black letters of the Constitution and pertinent statutes in the overall conduct of NNAMDI KANU'S case. In the first suit, number CV/875/25, filed before the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, we requested the enforcement of NNAMDI KANU'S constitutional right to a fair hearing and to be tried within a reasonable time, and in the alternative, to release him unconditionally. In the second suit, number M/3224/2025, which was also brought before the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, we are seeking a mandamus to compel the authorities to follow the law in the conduct of his trial, including the transfer of his case to the Southeast, where it should have been instituted in the first place. We wish to make it abundantly clear that these suits were primarily necessitated by the several unconstitutional and unlawful actions that have pervaded the conduct of NNAMDI KANU'S case since the recusal of Honorable Justice Binta Murtalanyako on September 24, 2024. In summary, the said unconstitutional and unlawful actions include the refusal to reassign the case to another judge, the backward reassignment of the case to the same judge who recused herself from the case, the refusal to consider the transfer of the case to the Southeast, and most importantly, the failure of the authorities to bring the case to a proper trial within a reasonable time as the Constitution demands. To be clear, these actions by the authorities constitute a grave miscarriage of justice that has altogether become highly injurious to NNAMDI KANU'S legal interests, including particularly the grave injustice of keeping him in detention for almost 4 years without any prospect of a fair trial. As a human being imbued with certain inalienable rights, NNAMDI KANU cannot fold his hands while these injustices persist.
Hey, comment. Even you never make over what you were married. Aja